Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marrol. If you're new here, hello, welcome. Thank you for joining me today. And if you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate it, dude. It's been a long ass time since I filmed, dude. Like, I got this new job working on set as like a COVID production assistant. So basically I just go around set all day and like make sure everyone is sanitized, make sure they have their masks on. We like take everyone's temperature in the morning when they arrive on set or like to location. And it's been like real long hours, so please forgive me for the lack of videos recently. I've just been pretty busy. And on Tuesday, right now it's Sunday. That's one thing I love though, I get weekends off, which I've never had like ever in my entire life. Have I had weekends off because I've been serving my whole life. Today's Sunday, and then up on Tuesday we're heading up to Harrison Hot Springs for filming for like 3.5 weeks. So I hope I can get some videos filmed when I'm up there, but I have no idea what my schedule will look like. But we'll play it by ear and see how it goes. For today's video, my friend Rose asked me like where she should go to get her eyelashes tinted, because for school it's all online. And so she's like, I literally just sit on Zoom all day and like look tired because my eyelashes aren't like popping, you know? So today I thought it would be a fun idea. Also thanks to Rose for this idea, to like 10-minute get ready for your Zoom call kind of thing, you know, like focusing on the eyes just to like kind of spruce them up and like even out the skin tone. And that's, you know, that's what we're gonna do today. I got a new tattoo. It's so pretty. Oh my god, the girl who did this tattoo is amazing. She did my friend Tessa's tattoo. I'm gonna have her Instagram linked because she is so good. Like, I get tattoos in like spots that, I don't know, I love the placement, but it's hard to show you because it's like on the front of my arm. Anyways, that's my tattoo. Her name is Jess.tattoos and she is so freaking good. So, and she always has like flash photos up for grabs, so yeah, check her out on Instagram if you're looking for any tattoos. She is so amazing. Okay, let's get into this video. So I don't have anything on my skin right now. I'm gonna go in and do some skin prep. What do I normally use? It's been so long, and like on set I wear a mask, so I hardly wear any makeup. I just put like some under eye concealer and my brows on, and it's been pissing rain the last like week, so I haven't even been wearing mascara. So it's just like I literally just put concealer under my eyes and brows, and then I get the fuck out of the house because I have to be on set for like 5 a.m. So that's been my life the last little while. I love it though, it's so much fun. I love being on set. Taking my Ren Clean Skincare, a little moisturizer, and then I have, what else do I normally use on my face? Where's all my stuff? What am I doing? What day is it? I'm going to take a little bit of the Tatcha Silk Canvas. I just have this little sample size because I ran out of my other sample size. Wow, what? I look so fucking tired, holy shit. Okay, so Ren's Clean Skincare, and then, whoa, we're taking some Tatcha. That's a lot, Marrol. And normally I would go in with a third product, but I'm just gonna go in with that because I took way too much. So I'm mixing those together. My hands are so cold, oh my god. And I always put whatever's left on my fingers onto the back of my hands, like every single time. It's just nice and moisturizing, and then your hands are all soft all day. I've also got a couple new products to try out on camera. I've used them in my real life because I haven't been filming. I'm trying to make this video short, but dude, I got a lot of shit to say. Let's put on our complexion products real quick. So I'm taking my under eye brightener, and like if you don't have under eye darkers, if you don't have like dark under eye circles, your makeup will be quicker in the morning. So I take my KAJA Catnap under eye brightener. Oh, my fucking nails broke, it's so sad. Now I'm taking my It Cosmetics by Under Eye, and you literally just need like a tiny amount, like that much, and then I just go like this and pat that on my under eyes. And now we can take our sponge and just blend that out. Now I'm taking my ColourPop Pretty Fresh Concealer in the shade Light 40N and just conceal under your eyes. And then I blend that in with my sponge. So I picked up the Rare Beauty foundation and I really like it. It looks like very natural on the skin. I got this in the shade 170W, which I kind of wish I got a neutral shade, but It's whatever. It looks pretty yellow on my skin, but I love the finish of the foundation. It comes with like this huge doe foot applicator, but it's very liquidy. Like you could definitely just dump it onto a palette if you wanted to. Okay, so I just take my foundation now and we're gonna just spread it all over the face. It kind of, if you've ever used a dry oil, that's what the texture feels like. It's very lightweight. And I'm gonna blend that in. And we're gonna let that settle onto the skin for a few minutes and we're gonna pop on our brows. So to get your brows done quick, you can just go in with some brow gel. I'm taking my Glossier brow, or boy brow, sorry. And then after, I just go in with my brow flick and define the brows a little bit more. And then I just go in with the brow spoolie. And then a clean little like detailer brush and just kind of clean up the bottom here. That was the quickest I've ever done my brows and it worked out really well. Damn, bitch. Alright, our brows are on. And now we're gonna go in with some contour slash bronzer. I'm taking my Fenty Cream Bronzer in Butta Biscuit. And just on this little e.l.f. stippling airbrush brush. The finish of this foundation is so nice. Like I really, really enjoy the foundation. The packaging is a little bit messy. The first time I used it, it like spilled all over the place. But it's a really nice foundation. I really like it. It's like a soft matte finish. But if you put the right skincare products on underneath, it'll be nice and dewy. Like I don't really think I look matte at all. Okay, bronzer. Now it's time for some blush. So I'm going to take my Tarte Amazonian Clay in Paaarty. Going in with the powder first. And then we're going in with our cream to bring some nice dew and shine back to the face. A little bit on the nose. I'm going to set my under eyes using my Pat McGrath Labs. I don't even remember what it's called and it's all rubbed off, but it's like Sublime Under Eye Blurring Perfection Powder or something. But I'm gonna just go in and dab everything that's under here just to make sure there's no creasing. And I'm gonna actually take my sponge and just dip into the powder here. Hello? Excuse me, sir. And on the eyelids too. Oh, that's very creasy. I'm gonna take a little bit of this e.l.f. liquid highlighter. I don't know what it's called, Illuminating. Looks like this. And I'm gonna take a tiny little bit. I've been using highlighter again because now I'm not like sweating my dick off in this in the summer. And then I just apply that with a little beauty sponge. I use a different one than the one I use for the rest of my face because I don't want to look like a tin man when you go back in with that sponge. So I just take it right in the high points. Alright, and we're done with the face. So now we're going to jump right into the eyes real quick. So I'm going to take my Ace Beauty palette and we're just going to go in with the lighter shade in this palette and put this on the eyelid. When you're in a rush and like you just want to make your eyes kind of pop out, just go in with your bronzer that you use. Preferably a powder, not really cream. Creams won't withstand the whole day. They'll crease and eventually kind of rub off. Even just adding the bronzer just kind of contours your eye a little bit, you know? Just makes it pop a bit more. Now we're just gonna curl the lashes really quick. Pop on some mascara. And we're gonna be adding some individual lashes. So you wanna focus the mascara on the inner corner. So for our lashes, we're going to be wearing these individual lashes. So they're trios. So it's basically 3 individuals in a little cluster. And these are what are going to make your eyes really stand out and pop, you know, make you feel awake in the morning. So get your little glue. Put your glue on your palette. Put your glue wherever you can. Back of like your eyeshadow or like your compact of whatever product you have, and just be sure to wipe it off afterwards. You don't need a palette. You can literally use like the back of your bronzer if you feel like it. And then we're gonna go in, take our little trio. We're gonna take our little trio, dip it in the glue, let it get tacky for a second, and then you're gonna go in and just apply it to the very outer corner. There's one. And you can put on like 2 or 3 on each eye. Just focusing on the outer corner to kind of lift your eye a bit. And you want to get it right to the base of the lash, like right where the lashes kind of meet your eyelid. And there we go. Look at the difference already. And I haven't even curled it or added like a little second layer of mascara. So like already that just makes your eyes look like way more awake, and like you're like, damn bitch, I'm here on Zoom, what's up? Just gonna let that dry. I'm gonna pop on the other ones, and then I'll be right back to curl them and finish off the look. Okay, so my lashes are on, and you don't even need an eyelash curler. You can just take your fingers and pinch it together right at the base. There we go. And now we'll go in with a little tiny layer of mascara just to blend it all. There we go. Pop on mascara to the bottom lashes. And there we go. And now we can just like pop on some chapstick real quick. I'm just taking this like ColourPop lippie balm. And if you wanted to take it to the next level, you could put on some like your skin tone or like your lip shade of lip liner. That's the word I'm looking for. If you had an extra minute, you could define the lips even more. Now I'm gonna take some setting spray. I picked up the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I really like this. It's kind of an aggressive mist, but I really like the way that it feels on my skin. It kind of feels like it just like tightens it a little bit, like it just locks it in. So I'm gonna just spritz this. And that is it, you guys. That's how you can kind of make your eyes pop a little bit when you are running low on time. And it's like way cheaper than eyelash extensions. And there's different sizes of these lashes, like different lengths. So I use the medium ones depending on how long your lashes are. There's short ones, and then I have another pack. So today I used the medium length, and there's also short in this little package. And then I have another set, and these are extra short and short. So, you know, there's lots of different sizes you can use. And these are Kiss lashes, by the way. I got these at London Drugs, and I use these on my clients actually. Like these are what I use on my brides and like any bridal party members and stuff like that, because they're really comfortable. I can't even feel that they're on. I can't see them, I can't feel them. Like they really are just super comfortable. You guys, that's the final look today. So this is how you can get ready real quick in the morning for your Zoom classes all day long, even if you're working online or like working from home. Pop on some little outer corner lashes. Even if you don't have these, you can just cut a pair of strip lashes in half and just use the outer edge to bring a little life to your eye. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a fun little new trick, how to like spruce up your eyes for your meetings. It just adds a little tiny bit of drama without taking like 100 years to put them on, you know, because like these are so comfortable. They're gonna last all day long. The glue that I use, this is the first time I've used it, but it actually like feels pretty good. Like doesn't feel like they're coming off at all. This is the Kiss Lashes Strip Adhesive, and it says it's like safe for contacts and all that. So thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a little thumbs up. Thank you so much once again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.